Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ielts Groomers by Urvashi Chopra. So many of you texted me personally that they want to learn how to write an introduction for writing task 2. So today's video is all about how to write an impressive introduction for your essays. So for writing an impressive introduction, there are basically 3 aspects which you should know. The first one is the general line. General line means the opening statement of an introduction. In general line, sometimes it is given in the question itself, or you need to rephrase it in your own words. You need to make a general line in your own words for an essay. Let's say it is a computer. So computer is the need of an era. This is the general line. And if it is mentioned in the question, you need to rephrase it. The second point is mentioning the main point. Either it can be advantage or disadvantage. The third one is the thesis. Thesis means giving your own opinion in the essay. So let me help you guys today with a question of advantages and disadvantages type. So the question is, university students are increasingly studying abroad as a part of their studies. So do the advantages of studying abroad outweigh the disadvantages? So now if you're able to understand the question, you will see the general line they have given itself in the question. You don't need to use your own general line, but yes, you need to rephrase that same line into your own words. And in own words, I mean using the vocabulary, using the synonyms of the given words which is present in the question. So let's begin with the first aspect, which was the general line. So I have made 2 general lines. You can choose according to your type. First one is, many university students routinely study in other institutes around the world as a part of their degrees. So for universities, I have replaced the word institutes, and for increasingly, I have replaced the word routinely, and for studies, I have used the synonym degrees. So that's how you are going to use your own vocabulary. The number 2 is, a growing number of university students opt to study in abroad nowadays. So here you can see that a growing number has been a synonym for increasingly. So let's move to our second aspect, which was writing the main point. So this question is about advantages and disadvantages. So we need to find what is the main advantage and the main disadvantage. Like the main advantage of studying abroad and the main disadvantages of studying abroad. So you need to create a point which will be highlighted in your paragraphs. So the first body paragraph will be about that advantage, and the other body paragraph will talk about that disadvantage, and then last will be the conclusion part. So that's how you plan those points. Try to make a single sentence in which you can fit both the disadvantage and the advantage part. Let's, for example, I have started my sentence with although. Although has a benefit that you can put both the advantage and disadvantage in a single sentence. So what I have written is, although students will often struggle with cultural and linguistic challenges while abroad, they will also gain significant life experiences that will reward them later in their careers. That means the cultural and linguistic challenges is what? Is the disadvantage, and the significant life experiences will be the advantage. So I have summed up everything in one single line. So let's move to our third aspect, which is thesis. Thesis means giving your own opinion in the ending lines of the introduction. So here I have written in my thesis for this essay is, in my opinion, students are far better off having studied in a different country despite the challenges that they will inevitably face. So which means that despite of the challenges being there, I feel that the advantages are more for coming abroad and studying over there. And that's how these three aspects together will give you an impressive introduction. So here comes the final and complete look for an introduction. You can read it on your own. So thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.